HiCAD solution for rear ventilated facades, automated 3D installation, individual grids. The HiCAD BIM solution for rear ventilated facades offers state-of-the-art tools for efficient and reliable designing, detail, and factory planning in 3D. With HiCAD's unique 2D-3D associativity, existing 2D drawings are directly used for 3D BIM planning. By inserting external BIM data or 3D point clouds, 3D planning is speeded up, and planning errors are avoided. Standard systems such as Alucobond, Eternit, or individually defined variants are installed in 3D using freely definable grids that can be changed at any time. Practice-oriented options ensure correct planning of the facade with its substructure, and state-of-the-art beam and sheet metal functions allow individual, flexible special solutions. Drawings, details, dimensions, and annotations are derived directly from the 3D model in conformity with BIM and are therefore always correct and up-to-date, even in the event of design changes. All parts are quickly and safely itemized via the automatic identical part search. HiCAD then automatically generates the production drawings, bills of materials, sheet metal blanks, and data for NC production from the 3D model.